In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up LC email to increase email deliverability in GoHighLevel. Email deliverability is crucial for business success, and configuring your system correctly can make all the difference in ensuring your messages reach the intended recipients' inboxes rather than getting lost in their spam folders. First, we'll start by adding the LC email service in GoHighLevel. Begin by logging into your GoHighLevel account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your sub-account section of the platform. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to your email settings. Now head over to the Settings section. You'll find this in the menu on the left-hand side. Within Settings, locate the Email Services option. Click on it to explore your email configuration choices. Here you'll need to select LED Connector Mail from the list of options. Go ahead and click to either enable or connect this service. By doing this, you'll be integrating the necessary email infrastructure to ensure your communications are more professionally designed and more likely to be delivered successfully. Next up, it's vital to add a dedicated sending domain. Using your own domain can vastly improve your chances of your emails landing in inboxes, rather than being disregarded as junk. When setting a domain, it's preferred to use something like mail.yourcompany.com. Steer clear of generic, free email addresses such as those from Gmail or Yahoo, as they can risk lowering your email campaign's legitimacy and deliverability rates. To add your domain, make your way to the settings once more. This time, select Domains. Once you're in that section, click Add Domain. You'll then need to enter your own sending domain or subdomain. The system will automatically generate the necessary DNS records for you. It's important to note that you shouldn't start off by bombarding your recipients with a high volume of emails from your new domain. Instead, follow the recommended warm-up plan carefully. During days 1 through 3, aim to send between 20 and 50 emails per day. This not only gives email servers a chance to become accustomed to your sending patterns, but it also allows you to slowly build a positive reputation. As you increase your email volume, always prioritize engagement. Focus on sending emails to contacts who have shown previous interest in your content or products, as this can significantly enhance your deliverability. Avoid using purchased lists, as recipients on such lists are often not expecting communications from you, which can lead to them marking your emails as spam. To build even stronger connections with your audience, personalize your email content. Personalization can range from addressing recipients by name to tailoring content based on their preferences or past interactions with your brand. Following these steps will put you on the path to achieving better email deliverability with GoHighLevel, ensuring your communications reach and resonate with your audience.